Do you want an all-in-one tablet? Here is the Bigme Color e-paper tablet with 4G calling, Android 14 and a wireless charging stylus. It's your all-in-one device for handwriting, reading, calls, AI recording and Bigme GPT, unlimited apps and more. It helps you stay focused while staying connected to the world. So let's kick things off with an unboxing. Alright, here's what you get inside the box. Well, the packaging is clean and well organized with two smaller boxes inside the main one. Inside the first box, you will find the tablet, the stylus, which feels great for sketching or writing, a USB-A to USB Type-C charging cable, a SIM tray tool, and the quick start guide. Just a heads up, no charging brick is included. Inside the second box, you will find the magnetic folio case. It has a nice structured finish and it snaps on easy. And of course, the tablet itself is tucked safely underneath. Everything clean, present overall. Alright, let's talk about the build. The Bigme B7 feels super lightweight, just 325 grams, which honestly makes it easier to carry around than most reading books. It's got a clean, minimalistic design with flat edges, so the stylus can snap out magnetically without falling off. On the top, you have got the power button, and on the left side, there's a tiny LED indicator for charging. And there's a USB-C port and a speaker. The speaker is decent for casual use. You also get a SIM slot with 4G LTE support plus a micro SD card slot for extra storage. And while the sides are metal, the back is plastic. So yeah, you probably don't want to drop it on concrete. And here's a quick sound sample so you can judge for yourself.
This is no ordinary letter, but one the self writes to itself. From greater self to smaller self.
One of the best things about the B7 is definitely the stylus, and the good news is it comes free in the box. Using the stylus on the Bigme B7 feels surprisingly close to writing on real paper. It has a grippy, well-balanced design with a flat edge that snaps magnetically to the tablet on the side, but not on the back. The writing experience is smooth, responsive, and super quiet, making it great for long note-taking sessions or creative sketching. Whether you are making PDFs or jotting down ideas, the low latency and natural pan to screen feels make this stylus more than just an accessory. It's a daily essential. So the star of the show here is a 7-inch Kaleido 3 color e-ink display. If you have used black and white e-readers before, you already know how easy they are on the eyes. Now imagine that experience, but in color. It's not super saturated like an LCD, but for reading, comics, PDFs, and light browsing, it feels so much easier on the eyes. If you are curious about the color display, it supports 150 ppi for color and 300 ppi for black and white. Not as crisp as OLED, obviously, but perfect for ebooks. It has a built-in front light and adjustable warm and cool tones. I will show you how that looks here on screen. This makes a big difference in low light settings where the display can otherwise feel too dim. Also, the shape and bezels design of the display is very practical. As you can see, when I hold it from this side, my thumb rests naturally without accidentally touching the screen. It offers a nice grip and comfortable handling for long reading sessions. And honestly, that's what I wanted. Something that keeps me focused without burning my eyes. What I love about the Bigme B7 is how long the battery lasts. With the e-ink screen and a 3000 mAh battery, you can go a couple of days on light use without charging. And when you need to charge, USB-C makes it quick and easy. On the performance and software side, it runs on Android 14, which means full access to the Google Play Store and a wide range of apps, from Kindle and Evernote to Google Docs or even YouTube. With 8GB RAM, 128GB of internal storage, and micro SD expansion. Performance is solid for reading, note-taking, and multitasking. The 5 megapixel shooter really helps boost productivity. You can quick scan documents, use OCR to convert text, and edit your notes right away. It saves you a ton of time compared to do everything manually. Right now, the Bigme B7 is priced at $299, and I have dropped a purchasing link in the description if you want to check it out. I would say this tablet is perfect for students, writers, or anyone who wants a distraction-free reading and writing device that can also double as a phone when needed. It's not trying to be an iPad killer, but it's carving out its own unique spots in the productivity world. And if you have any question regarding this tablet, drop them in the comments below. And please consider to like and subscribe this channel for more tech content. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.